Hi everyone, my name is Marian Kate Cotton Hugo from BSHM Block 13, second year. So this is the calculations of mean, median, mode for both ungrouped and grouped data. For each data set, we need to calculate the mean or the average, median or the middle value, and the mode or the most frequent value. So the answers should be rounded to 2 decimal places. So these are the general steps. For getting the mean, we need to sum all values and divide by the count of values. For the median, we're going to order the data set from smallest to largest. And if the number of the data points or the n is odd, the median is the middle value. If n is even, the median is the average of the two middle values. The mode, the value that appears most frequently in the data set. A data set can have one mode or unimodal, can also have multiple modes or multimodal, or no mode if values appear with the same frequency. Let's calculate for each data set. The first thing we need to do for calculating the mean, median, and mode, we're going to order all the values from the smallest to the largest value. So I have already arranged the first item. So first, for getting the mean, we need to sum or add them all. So 75 plus 77 plus 81 plus 88 plus 88 plus 88, 9 plus 90 plus another 90 plus 91. So we got here 768 divided by, we're going to divide them all from the number of the values. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 values. So we're going to divide that into 9. So we have here 85.83, and this is our mean. So our mean is 85.83. Next, for getting the median, since we have already arranged the values, the median should be the fifth value in the ordered list. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our median. Our median is 88. There. And for getting the mode, since as I said earlier, the mode is how frequent the values are repeated. So since the number 88 is repeated 3 times, so this is our mode. Next, number 2. For our item number 2, the first thing we have to do, or we get to do, is to arrange the values from the smallest to the largest values. So we have here 104, 109, 111, 125, 169, 181, and 218. Then, for getting the mean, we're going to sum all the values, or we're going to add them all. So 104 plus 109 plus 111 plus 125 plus 169 plus 181 plus 218. So we got here 1017. So we're going to divide them to the number of the values, from the number of the values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 values rather. 7 values. So 1017 divided by 7. So we have 145 point, since we have the 2857 blah blah blah, so we're going to round that off. 145.29. This is our mean. So that is our mean. And for getting the median, the middle value is the fourth value in the ordered list, which is this 125. So that is our median. And for getting the mode, since all the values only appear once, then there is no mode. Then for item number 3, as I said earlier, we're just going to arrange first the values into smallest to the largest number. So we have here 52, 55, 59, 63, 66, 70, 71, 77, 81, and 88. And for getting the mean, we're just going to add them all. So we have 52 plus 55 plus 59 plus 63 plus 66 plus 70 plus 71, 77 plus 81 and 88. So we have the total of 682 divided by how many values we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 values. So we're just going to divide them into 10. So we have 68.20. No? So we have 68.2. Since, as I said earlier, the answer should be into the answer should be rounded to two decimal places. So we're just going to add 0 here. So we have here 68.20. That is our mean for the item number 3. And for getting the median, since the n is even, the median is the average of the 5th and the 6th values. Since our 5th and 6th values is the 66 and 70, so we're going to add them. 66 plus 70. 66 plus 70, so we have 136 divided by the number of the values we just added is 2 divided by 2. So we have here 68. That is our median. And for getting the mode, we're just going to see if the values are repeated twice or thrice. So since all the values only appear once, then there will be no mode. Next, let's proceed to item number 4. We're just going to arrange the data set or the values into smallest to the largest. So we have 1.12, 1.25, 2.11, 2.51, 3.68, 5.12, and 6.38. And for getting the mean, as I said earlier, we're just going to add or sum all the data. So we have here 1. So we have here the 1.12 plus 1.25 plus 2.11 plus 2.51 plus 3.68 plus 5.12 and plus 6.38. So we have here 22.17 divided by the values of how many values we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 values. So we're going to divide that. And we have here 3.17. So our mean is 3.17. And the median, the middle value is the 4th value in the ordered list. So we have here the 2.51. And for the mode, since all values only appear once, then there will be no mode. And for the item number 5, we're just going to arrange them from the smallest to the largest. So we have 78, 80, 81, 82, and 82. And we're just going to, for getting the mean, we're going to sum or add them all. So we have here 78 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 81 plus 81 and 81 plus 82 plus 82 and 82. So we got here 800. We got here 807. divided by how many values we have, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 values, and we're going to divide that, and we got 80.70, and that is our mean. 80.70. And for getting the median, since the n is even, the median is the average of the 5th and 6th values. So we have here 81 and 81. So we're going to add that 81 plus 81. We got here 162 divided by 2, and we have 81. That is our median. 81. And for the mode, since the values 80, 81, and 82 all appear 3 times, so the modes are so our modes are 80, 81, and 82. 80, 81, and 82. And that is the mean median mode.